Hey guys, welcome back to Nianna Nirvana. Today's pursuit to paradise takes us to Nianna Chatham Townhouse in Montego Bay, Jamaica. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This townhouse features 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a kitchen, living area, and backyard. There's also a community pool and gym, and it's walking distance to the beach. Here we have the living space, which I felt was very homey and comfortable. It features lots of seating and a TV. The host also included a binder that had emergency contact information and info on nearby entertainment and restaurants. And then just beside, we have a large dining area that seats 6 comfortably. And then on to my favorite part, the backyard. So lush and green and relaxing. I really loved it back here. As you can see, there's also direct access from the front. It was just the perfect chill spot with all the lawn seating. And onto the kitchen. So the kitchen does have views of the backyard, and it does feature pretty much everything you would need, from cups and glassware to utensils, dishes, pots and pans, and a lot of kitchen appliances. There were also bottled waters that were provided upon arrival. This is the sanitation station at the entrance of the house, which leads to the master bedroom that is actually on the first floor. So the master bedroom features a king bed and has an ensuite bathroom. As you can see, a good amount of closet space as well. And then there are 2 more bedrooms upstairs. This bedroom features a queen bed and has an ensuite bathroom. And then as you can see, it's also quite spacious. The final bedroom is perfect for 2 kids with 2 twin beds, and also features an ensuite bathroom and ample closet space. As you can see, it also has views of the backyard. As I mentioned before, there is a community pool and gym that's just a short walk from the house. Love this artwork in the gym. Next up, we have the beach. So this was about 5 minutes away, walking distance. So here's a tennis court that we saw along the way. A very nice beach, and the best part, it was absolutely free. And just in case you were wondering how close we were to the airport, see for yourself. And now for my overall rating. First up, price for value, 4 out of 5. So at the time that we booked, this was $109 per night on Airbnb. And then with the cleaning fees and taxes, the total went to $194 per night for a max of 8 guests. So I found that to be a great price, especially because the home has 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. It offers a good amount of privacy and has access to the pool and gym and also the beach. Location, 5 out of 5. So the townhouse is in the heart of the Montego Bay's hip strip, and it's literally 5 minutes from the airport. As you guys saw, it's walking distance to the beach, and it's actually very close to Doctor's Cave Beach as well, which is a larger paid beach, and it's close to many other restaurants and hotels such as S Hotel and Royal Decameron. There are also a lot of entertainment options close by, including Aquasol theme park. Food and chef, 4 out of 5. So a chef is not included at this townhouse. However, there are so many great restaurants in close proximity and even walking distance to the house, including Jimmy Buffett's Margaritaville, Usain Bolt's Tracks and Records, Marguerite's, and Starbucks. Overall design and cleanliness, 3 out of 5. So we were overall pleased with the cleaning service that was provided, but I should mention that it was noticeable that some of the walls needed to be repainted, and then also the shower in the master bathroom was very small and didn't have the best shower head, which made it a little bit difficult to shower. Service, 5 out of 5. So this townhouse is represented by Hospitality Expert, which is a renowned vacation rental company. Let's just say they know a thing or two about service. Upon arrival, there was a representative that greeted us with the keys and gave us a quick tour of the property. I thought that was such a great touch. And lastly, communication, also 5 out of 5. So again, the communication from the reps at Hospitality Expert were top notch. Any question that I had was answered within minutes, literally, through Airbnb or WhatsApp. And the overall score, 26 out of 30. Would I go back? I mean, did you see the price? Yep. If you liked this video, don't forget to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. If you loved it, please share and turn on your post notifications. On to the next pursuit. Thank you so much for watching.